Alright, YouTubers, my name's Dave.
Oh, that sucks, dude.
Like always. And you found do it yourself, do it right. And well, I'm gonna try to make this short and sweet. I need help, like the thumbnail said. So let's get into it. What do I need help with? Well, I need help with a lot of things, but the most important thing that I need help with is I need a project bike. If you have a project bike and you want to get rid of it, you want to sell it, and if you're in the Florida, Georgia, South Carolina area, because that's where I am.
No shit, Sherlock.
Hit me up, you know, diydaveb@gmail.com. It'll be in the description below. I'm looking for 70s project bikes. If it's Japanese, great. If it's American, okay. You know, I've been wanting to do probably a sporty video, some work, maybe make a chopper or something like that. But I primarily focus on Hondas. That's why I'm wearing my Honda hat. I do have a Suzuki hat because I did work on some Suzukis. I've worked on Yamahas. I've not worked on a Kawasaki yet. So if you guys want to, you know, pop that bubble.
That's what she said.
And you got a Kawasaki, let me know. Like I said, diydaveb@gmail.com. Or you can make a comment in this video when you see it. I'm looking for projects. I'm not looking for your bike that you're just trying to sell that already runs and rides and doesn't need any work. I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for a project bike, something that's been sitting in your basement, been sitting in your shed, heck, sitting outside, in your barn, in your garage. It's kind of been pushed off to the side, something that you bought a while back thinking, hey, I think it'd be fun to get this thing running. That's what I'm looking for. Basket cases, okay, just as long as you have the majority of the pieces, not a big deal. I'm really not being too choosy with what I need help with. I just like it to be in the 70s and possibly cool. That's what I need help with. I need help with a bike. All I got really to work on motorcycle wise is a blue bike. It needs a total go through. And I can have that done in a couple of videos. I really enjoy taking a bike that's been left for dead, bringing it back to life, and then getting it out, back out into the community to somebody that's going to enjoy it. That's what I really love. I do all this other stuff on the channel. I work on, you know, I do car covers and, you know, I work on my Harley over there and my racer. And then whatever else, you know, needs to get done, brakes and blah, 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 right? I do that for the channel. But I really, really, really enjoy working on the old bikes. That's it. I mean, you know, I got stuff on the truck. So I got stuff on all the vehicles. If it needs to be worked on, there's videos for it. So that's it. Hopefully short and sweet. So if you like this kind of stuff and you got a bike, hit me up. If you got a bike you want to sell, definitely hit me up. Like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Like always, till next time, thanks a lot. Y'all stay tuned because I got another super clean video coming up where I'll be giving away that hat and t-shirt and some more super clean product. And the people over at Air Moto sent me this cool little pump to try out, use, see if I like it, and eventually probably give it away to some lucky viewer. So you guys stay tuned for that stuff. It's coming up.